Hey folks, Jimmy here, aka Pally the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Warhammer Quest Curse City update. As per usual, if you like these videos though, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and drop a comment down below. It's great to hear your guys' opinion. Now, without further ado, there wasn't any video for Warhammer Quest last week, but I thought I'd double up this week. So, last week's update on the Warhammer community website, if you haven't already seen it, was about the dead walker zombies and the fact that the dead outweighs the living within Orphankhan. So, keeping these mass graves stocked up, of course, with the dead walker zombies and the fresh corpses, of course, Gorslav the Gravekeeper, who is that awesome model that we saw when it first got revealed, which is a pretty cool looking guy as well. Very unusual, and has of course got that kind of like hook that he's holding in one hand, that kind of weird shaped spade, and that weird mask that he's wearing as well, which makes the model very unique and very interesting as well. So he is of course a battling creature that buries his victims alive in the corpse gardens and then unleashes them later at his vampiric master's bidding. His massive Gravekeeper's spade is just as good at creating corpses as exhuming them, and his bone mask and encounterments of death leave little doubt to his general disposition. So, Gorslav never speaks, and nobody can determine whether he was once a mortal man or just turned into a glorified zombie like his charges. And of course, he is never fully clear if he is a single being or a gruesome order of necrotriges, and of course, whatever isn't in doubt is his mastery over the winds of death and the command over the dead walkers themselves, which of course are all these guys, who look pretty cool. Now, these guys, they outnumber the living in Orphankhan no matter what. So with the Shyish Nadir being so close, the magic of death just suffuses everything, and his foul energy concentrates in places already associated with death, such as the mass burial grounds that are scattered around Orphankhan's various districts. Now, these guys are pretty cool models as well. I really do like these zombies. I think normally with zombie models there's a chance of making them a bit crap looking, in all honesty, and I kind of like these guys though. They have all these kind of instruments of torture kind of attached to them, whether it's gravestones, whether it's fence posts that have just been kind of like staked directly through them, or you know, bits and pieces like boards and stuff like that, and bits of the street, and from the looks of it as well in a lot of cases, and having all these roots growing through them, which is pretty cool as well. There's all these other little bits and pieces and all these little details that they all have. Some very good stuff. You can make some very gruesome looking models out of this as well. If you really wanted to go all out, you can make these look really horrific, and I do really like them. I think they're absolutely fantastic zombie models. The best zombie models that I've seen so far from the Warhammer ranges before were the ones from Blood Bowl, which are absolutely fantastic, and I really enjoyed painting them. I thought they were pretty cool. These guys just take the biscuit. They are absolutely fantastic, and I really do like them, and I think they look pretty damn cool. I would like to see these as an individual set as well, maybe in the future. You can add them to like a zombie regiment in your armies of death or anything like that, which could be pretty cool. I doubt it'll happen personally, but I think it would be fantastic if they did. They did do something like that. Now, the second part to this update is of course about the environments that are the Curse City. So they've done a piece today and it's all about the little placement tiles and everything like that for playing the game. So of course they have their individual streets, avenues, courtyards and everything like that. So depending on your team's reasons for entering Orphankhan, the environments for your mission will be different, and you could end up exploring anything from a derelict mansion to the notorious Square of Bones. Each map is made up of various tiles that are connected by gateways, and who knows what horrors you may discover in this formerly peaceful garden. And of course you also do get things like some nice plants and everything like that. You get a little tavern that's kind of being kind of created. You get this cool little courtyard and desk and coffin that's on the side bit and crate, which look pretty cool and look pretty interesting, and this little like armory room and everything like that, which look pretty cool. And of course there is like a little burial pit where all the coffins are open and they just seem to be swimming in blood, which is very, very interesting to say the least. Now, I'm not gonna lie, if you haven't already worked this out, I'm quite looking forward to getting this game. I really, really like the look of it. I can't wait to get my hands on the box game and get going with it. I don't know what I'll be doing with it because, who knows, but I cannot wait to get these models painted. I can't wait to have a try at the game itself and have a good bit of fun with it, because I like the environment looking, all the environments look really, really cool. Everything looks good for it. Just a very, very exciting kind of new box game that looks very, very good. Now, that's just my opinion, of course. I would love to hear yours, so if this is up your alley, drop a comment down below. If not, drop a comment down below anyway. Let us know why you're not interested in picking it up. Have a discussion about it. Why not? Now, thank you very, very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye now.